Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY fidgets. So let's get started. So the first DIY fidget I'm going to show you guys how to make is a tangle. Okay, so all you need any color pipe cleaner. I'm going to choose this black, and then all you need is some beads to put on. Okay, so first you're going to want to like fold the side and make it like a place where the beads cannot fall out. Like that. And then you get how many beads you want and put them in. So I'll be right back. Okay, so when you have all of them on, you're gonna do the same exact thing that I did for the first part. Just make a big enough like knot thing to close it, and then you got a tangle like that. Okay, so how to make another fidget? Well, if you want to make this fidget, it's fun to play with it. So all you'll need is one popsicle stick and
I'm holding you personally responsible. I'll take responsibility for that.
2 pipe cleaners. So what you want to do is like wrap the pipe cleaner, make it like look like that, and then wrap it once on that part, and then start twisting around like this. And I'm gonna do that. So be right back. So guys, I haven't like finished it yet, but like if you have like a little bit left, you can like use one more, but you might have to cut the pipe cleaner. And so you can make, if you want, you can have like little edges you can hold and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm done. This is what it looks like. It's cool. Got 2. And that's it for today, guys. Bye.